In this guide, we're going over how you can get magic essence here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is actually used to craft the Great Mage Sword, which is one of the rarest materials in C2. So just keep that in mind. It only drops from the Great Mage boss, which is located here on Easter Island. If you go all the way down here towards the very end of Easter Island, you are going to see the boss summoner for this. If you interact with the Great Mage boss, you can go ahead and spawn it in on a bunch of different difficulties using Easter keys. Now, the drop rate on normal is about 0.78%, so it is very low. Expect to do this multiple times. Obviously, it increases the harder difficulty you go on, but you also spend more Easter keys as well, so just keep that in mind. To get these Easter keys, though, you need to farm the little bunny NPCs right here. So go ahead and take these guys out. And once you take these guys out, you go ahead and get some of those keys. Once you get those keys, make your way over to the boss and go ahead and take out this boss. And just keep farming the boss over and over, and you'll eventually go ahead and get yourself magic essence, which is used to eventually head up to this guy over here and purchase the Great Mage Sword. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.